Relations and functions, 5-mark question. Find the inverse for the given function. The given function is f of x is equal to x square plus 4 and show that it is invertible and prove its inverse f inverse y is equal to root y minus 4. And the domain is non-negative, r plus is non-negative. First write what is given in the question so that it will not be confusing. F from r plus to 4 to infinity, where it has domain and range, and f of x is x square plus 4. For 1 the condition is if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 should be equal to x2. This is the main condition. Without this condition we cannot proceed further. I repeat, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 should be equal to x2. F of x is x square plus 4, so therefore f of x1 will be x1 square plus 4 and f of x2 will be x2 square plus 4. 4 will get cancelled, you will be left with x1 square is equal to x2 square. Shift x2 square this side, so x1 square minus x2 square is equal to 0. A square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b, so x1 plus 2 into x1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Shift x2 towards that side, it will become x1 is equal to plus x2 will become minus x2. x1 shifting x2 that side, minus x2 will become plus x2. So x1 is equal to minus x2 and x1 is equal to plus x2. We have two values. Now because my domain is positive, we are not considering negative value, so therefore x1 is equal to x2. My condition was f of x, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 should be equal to x2. So my final answer x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1. Now we have to verify for onto, and the condition for onto, again we have to mention f from r plus 2 4 to infinity, and then check f of x should be equal to y within the range. F of x is equal to, we already know, x square plus 4. So equate y is equal to x square plus 4. Shift 4 towards the other end, it will be y minus 4 is equal to x square. X square is y minus 4, so x is equal to plus or minus root of y minus 4. And because my domain itself is positive, so no negative, x is equal to square root of y minus 4. Substitute this in the given f of x in terms of y, that is f of x is equal to x square plus 4, so root of y minus 4. I have x is root y minus 4 square plus 4. So once it is squared, root and square will get cancelled. Root and square will get cancelled. You will be left with y minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 will get cancelled. F of x is equal to y. Therefore, f is onto. Since f is both 1 and onto, f is invertible and f of x is equal to y. F shifting towards the other end, it will be f inverse y is equal to x. X in terms of y, we have already got root y minus 4, so f inverse y is equal to root y minus 4, and it is the inverse of the given function in terms of y. If we are supposed to write it in terms of x, f inverse x will be, in place of y we are substituting x, so it is root of x minus 4.